Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about function block diagram programming, pulse output program, wiping relay, and Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my logo soft comfort software, and here in the left side you can see all the commands and functions, and here in the special functions timer section you can see this is wiping relay pulse output. Just click it on this one and drag and drop it here. After you can need one input address to trigger this command. So just I will take my first input address I1, and the help of connector tool we can connect this one command. And one more thing, in this to test this output, this test this command, we have to be use one output, and we can select it here, and with the help of connector tool you can connect the output. And if you like to be automatically, if you have a big program, for example this is just only one line, if you have a big program and you fast like to be arrange all things, so just select this all data, and you can see this one here, this align horizontally. Click it on this one, after you will be automatically aligned this all commands and inputs and outputs. So it's very simple and easy method. An example, this function triggered this one relay, this wiping relay. What's the function? If you like to be read the manual, go in help, and also you can see in a short description, an input signal generates an output signal of a configurable length. Means when you use this one, you have to be set the some time after you like to be make the stop the output. For an example, I will go in the properties, just right click and go to the block properties, and here you can see this B001 wiping relay pulse output relay. Pulse means any a single pulse giving very fast way. Other output, if you are using, that will be have a scan time, maybe 1 second or 2 seconds, but this is the millisecond times. In just millisecond times, this relay output giving immediately means. And if we like to be give the time, for example I give the here 10 seconds after of my output. When I give the signal, it's immediately on the output. But if you this relay basically have a two functions. One is for when you give the signal, immediately makes the output on, and in between, mm, uh, during the operation, if you give the leave the signal, means this input signal you can use as a selector switch, means continuously on or off. When you immediately close the contact, for example, means yani release the button, after this will be immediately off, immediately on, and immediately off. Basic this the function of this relay is the immediately on and immediately off. When you give the signal, it will be on, and when you release the signal, it will be off. And also in between journey means which time duration we gives to this command, after this will be off. Otherwise in during the operation, if you release the button, after this will be off. So just this program we will download to the PLC. Also you can from the tools you can transfer PC to logo. Just click it on the PC to logo. From three methods you can download the program from here also, and CTRL plus D also you can download. Click it OK, and your program will be immediately start downloading. And now you can put in run mode, and if you have a physical hardware, you can select the online monitoring, online test. If you don't have a physical hardware, you can just click it on simulation and you can see the logic. So I have a physical hardware, so I click it on this one, online test, and just wait a second and click OK, and it will be now ready to online test mode. You can see this all hardware, sorry, so in the program this is now highlights color blue, and also the symbol is shown for time duration, which time we set it here for 10 seconds. When as I give the signal, after 10 seconds it will be off the relay. So I give the signal, you can see our output is immediately on, and as it's completed his time, for example 10 seconds we put, 10 seconds after it will be closed. This is the first function. And second function is what? For example, I give the signal and now the time is running, our output is on, but in between I this like to be stopped. So as I remove the signal, after output will be off immediately. Means this pulse output, from the pulse output you can understand, you can give also here, I will remove, and also you can click it on this one A, or also right click and block properties, and also you can block name, you can give it here. Also here you can give the comment, for example I give it, this is wiping relay, wiping relay, and click OK, and your comment will be also shown on the command. This fonts you can select it here from format section, just fonts, and here how much size you want, for example 9, and colors also you like to change, you can click it OK, and it will be change his size. And also if you like to be zoom in and zoom out, also this will be possible with your program, right? So hope guys you will be understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.